In an age, real-time location tracking is vital for security, convenience, and peace of mind. Magnetic GPS trackers are becoming increasingly popular. Whether you need to monitor a vehicle, track valuable equipment, or ensure safety during outdoor activities, listen up. The Golf Range Finder Magnetic isn't your typical GPS tracker. It's a precision tool designed for golfers and hunters who value accuracy. With a 1,000-yard range, it uses advanced laser technology to measure distances quickly and accurately. The built-in magnet is powerful enough to secure it firmly to your golf cart or hunting gear, ensuring it stays in place even over rough terrain. List number 2. The Tracky Pro GPS Tracker offers a superb combination of long battery life, accurate tracking, and rugged durability. Built with USA-made technology, this tracker is perfect for cars, trucks, and fleets. Its magnetic mount is industrial grade, ensuring it stays firmly attached even on bumpy roads. One of its standout features is its up to 7 months battery life in power-saving mode. List number 3. The Optimus 3.0 GPS tracker is built for users who want reliability and simplicity. Its heavy-duty magnetic case makes installation quick and secure. No wires, no drilling. With over 1 month of battery life per charge, it's ideal for long-term vehicle monitoring. The tracker offers real-time GPS updates accessible via the Optimus app or web browser, with detailed travel reports and location history. List number 4. The Landair C54 GPS Tracker is a made-in-the-USA device known for its rugged durability and compact size. Its powerful magnetic mount allows for discreet placement under vehicles or on metal surfaces without worry of detachment. With customizable tracking intervals, it can conserve battery life for weeks, making it excellent for long-term monitoring. The tracker offers real-time tracking and historical playback via the SilverCloud app, giving detailed travel routes and activity timelines. List 5. The Solid GPS Magnetic Tracker is a versatile, long-lasting solution for tracking cars, motorcycles, and even boats. With up to 70 days of battery life, it excels in low-maintenance operation. The integrated magnet is extremely strong, ensuring a secure fit even in high-vibration environments. This tracker provides real-time location tracking through its mobile app and web portal,